nursing student at BCTC in Winchester for the ADN RN program. What I love about BCTC is the very big sense of community in such a small place. I have a big group of friends wrapped around me, so they support me while we obtain our goals to become nurses.
What's really great about the nurse aid program is that it prepares you for whatever you decide to do to further your career later on in life, whether that be nursing or sonography or radiology.
I chose here because I didn't really have help financially, and BCTC was a great option.
I would recommend BCTC, especially if you're a new kid coming out of high school and you don't know exactly what you want to do. Instead of going to college and getting a 4-year degree, you can come here and get a 2-year trade degree, and then you'll be set and you'll have a skill that nobody can ever take away from you.
What I love about the smaller campus environment is getting a sense of community with my peers and professors, and the ability to strive for greatness in my community.
I liked BCTC because there's more time for me to be able to study here. They have great study spaces.
BCTC is a wonderful place with very welcoming and very caring people.
I have made many friends. I love my teachers on this campus.
What I love most about BCTC is the convenience of being in Winchester, smaller class sizes, and the option to be either online or in person.
I do recommend the welding program at BCTC just because, I have a really good instructor and just really nice people here.
And a few things I love about BCTC is its convenient schedule, its proximity to my house. I love my teachers and my friends.
The 85th anniversary is very impressive. I did not know about it until earlier this year, but it means a lot to me that I get to be a part of that, a very important time in the history of this place. And it's very exciting that I get to be a part of it while graduating with my associate's degree, also from high school.
This is BCTC's 85th anniversary, and I know that means a lot to the staff here and everyone that goes to school here.
Because it's BCTC's 85th anniversary, it's really special to me to be a part of that history and to continue on the legacy that it has provided for us.
85 years of BCTC is a tremendous accomplishment, and I am so proud of being a part of it. I am a nursing student at Winchester campus, and I have had a passion for nursing since my mom became an LPN through the Leestown campus in Lexington.
85 years of BCTC to me means just giving opportunities to students that didn't have a chance before to go to school, whether it's me I did come here straight out of high school, or some of my classmates who are women that have 4 kids, 30-year-olds. We're not your typical student. We don't have support from other areas, and BCTC made that possible.
BCTC is 85 years old. That is a really big thing to me because I've had family come here, and I'm just glad I can do it too.
85 years is a crazy big accomplishment, and I honestly didn't know that BCTC has been around that long, so it really just kind of helps and makes me feel confident that I'm a part of such a big family, even though it's a lot smaller community, but big family.
It being the 85th anniversary is really important to me, being a first-gen student and the first in my family.
I think it's awesome that this school has been built in Kentucky for 85 years.
Happy 85th birthday, BCTC!
I am Natalie, and I am Bluegrass.
My name is Harley Wilson, and I am Bluegrass.
I'm Zoe Roberts, I am Bluegrass.
Hi, my name is LeVar Barrow, and I am Bluegrass.
I'm Mary, and I am Bluegrass.
My name is Krista Lamb, and I am Bluegrass.
I am Samantha Mangan, and I am Bluegrass.
I am Andrea, and I am Bluegrass.
My name is Adriana, I am Bluegrass.
Hi, my name is Nick Knoll, and I am Bluegrass.
I am Emily Walters, and I am Bluegrass.